Hello, dear viewers. Today we'll be comparing the best drawing tablets 2024 to help you find the model that suits you best. We'll examine the top tablets, comparing their performance and prices, pros and cons, and helping you discover which features align with your preferences. Before starting the video, please like and subscribe to the channel. Let's get started. Number 1. Xencelabs Pen Tablet Bundle. Its price is $225. According to our reviews, it is the best overall tablet. Xencelabs makes a grand entrance into the drawing tablet scene with their feature-packed pen tablet bundle. This isn't just a tablet, it's a complete workstation tailored to fit your artistic workflow. The centerpiece is the Xencelabs pen, boasting an incredible 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity and tilt recognition, mimicking the natural feel of traditional drawing on various textures. The pen also features interchangeable nibs to customize the feel further, depending on whether you're sketching, inking, or painting digitally. A wireless receiver ensures a clutter-free workspace, and the bundle even includes a handy carrying case so you can take your creativity on the go. Whether you're a seasoned artist who likes to have all the options at your fingertips, or a student just starting out and eager to explore different artistic techniques, the Xencelabs Pen Tablet Bundle is a compelling choice. Pros: loaded with features, great pen feel. Cons: expensive, lacks a built-in screen. Number 2. Wacom Intuos Pro. Its price is $350. According to our reviews, it is the best budget tablet. Wacom. The name is synonymous with digital art for a reason. The Intuos Pro lives up to its legacy, offering a fantastic drawing experience for serious artists. With its sleek, slim design and multi-touch surface, the Intuos Pro feels great under your hand. But where it truly shines is the pen tech. With 8,192 pressure levels and minimal lag, the lines you draw on the Intuos Pro feel just like they would coming out of a traditional pen or brush. The pen also supports tilt recognition, allowing for natural shading effects. Plus, the Wacom Intuos Pro works seamlessly with major creative software like Photoshop, Illustrator, and Clip Studio Paint, making it a true workhorse for professional artists. Pros: industry standard, excellent pen performance. Cons: no screen, pricey. Number 3. Huion Kamvas Pro 24. Its price is $1,250. According to our reviews, it is the best performance tablet. Looking for a powerful tablet with a screen but on a tighter budget? Look no further than the Huion Kamvas Pro 24. This 24-inch display boasts a wide color gamut, covering 140% of the sRGB color space, ensuring your artwork is bursting with vibrant hues. The high resolution, meanwhile, means you can zoom in for detailed work without sacrificing clarity. The included pen offers 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity and tilt recognition, allowing for natural line variation and subtle shading. While not quite reaching the level of Wacom's pen tech in terms of responsiveness, it delivers impressive value for the price. Plus, the Huion Kamvas Pro 24 comes with a sturdy adjustable stand, so you can find the perfect working posture and connects to your PC or Mac via HDMI or USB-C cable. Pros: affordable, vibrant colors. Cons: pen tech is not top tier, requires separate PC Mac. Number 4. XP Pen Artist 15.6 Pro. Its price is $400. According to our reviews, it is the best handy tablet. Need a powerful tablet that travels well? Look no further than the XP Pen Artist 15.6 Pro. This 15.6-inch display, while not the largest on the market, offers ample space to draw and create without feeling bulky. The thin and lightweight design makes it easy to slip into a backpack or bag, so you can take your artistic talents wherever inspiration strikes. The XP Pen Artist 15.6 Pro comes with a convenient carrying case to keep it protected on the go. The included pen isn't just pressure sensitive with 8,192 levels, it also boasts tilt recognition for natural shading, making it perfect for creating anything from detailed sketches to expressive brush strokes. 8. Programmable shortcut buttons on the tablet itself. further enhance your workflow by giving you quick access to frequently used functions so you can stay focused on your art without having to fumble with keyboard shortcuts. Pros: travel-friendly, shortcut buttons. Cons: smaller screen. Lacks Apple integration. Number 5. iPad Pro, 6th generation. Its price is $799. According to our reviews, it is the best creative tablet. Apple takes the crown for the best overall drawing tablet in 2024 with the mighty iPad Pro. This powerhouse combines a stunning Liquid Retina XDR display with the powerful M1 chip, making it a creative beast. The Apple Pencil, sold separately, offers unmatched responsiveness and feels incredibly natural in hand. Plus, the vast library of art apps available on iPadOS makes it a versatile platform for any artist. Pros: powerful chip, vast app library. Cons: expensive, Pencil sold separately. Locked ecosystem. Great. Feel free to let us know in the comments section which model is your favorite and what other comparisons you'd like to see. Thanks, and see you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.